Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our guide on replacing the panel and blade of the Thermomix TM31. Let's dive right into the tools you'll need for this task. First, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a compatible blade and new panel ready for installation. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair. Place the appliance on a stable surface to work comfortably. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the device. There are usually 4 screws, keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Next, gently lift the base cover off. This will expose the internal components of the Thermomix. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris inside. It's a good idea to give it a quick clean with the soft cloth before proceeding. Remember, a clean appliance works more efficiently. Now, locate the blade assembly. Using the pliers, carefully unscrew the blade from its housing. If the blade seems stuck, applying a bit of gentle force can help loosen it, but be cautious not to damage the surrounding parts. Once removed, set the old blade aside and take the new compatible blade. Before installing the new blade, check the housing for any damage or wear. If you find any issues, this might be a good time to consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure about any part of the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Install the new blade by aligning it with the housing and securing it tightly using the pliers. Ensure it's firmly in place as this is crucial for the proper functioning of your Thermomix. Once the blade is secured, it's time to install the new panel. Align the panel with the device and press it into place, ensuring that all clips are properly engaged. Next, replace the base cover by aligning it and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten each screw until they are snug, but avoid over-tightening as this can strip the screws or damage the plastic. After reassembling, take a moment to clean any fingerprints or smudges from the exterior of the appliance. A clean Thermomix not only looks good but also enhances your cooking experience. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and perform a quick test run to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any problems or if you don't have the tools to complete the repair, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can get your Thermomix repaired without any hassle. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency and costs. That's it. You have successfully replaced the panel and blade on your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your appliance, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.